right, people, I'm throwing the chains on the bucket. Okay, done. Let's go lift that precast and get it to the hole. All right, people, in the T770. All right, let me change these forks out, put my bucket on, then we're gonna backfill. sent the guys home. Hey, what's going on? Good. Did you have her at least look or show her pictures? Good. Don't make her go outside. Just let her poke her head out. I know, dude. I know you're a good boy, so it's all good. All right, I'm recording and perfect. I'm recording, so let me go. Yep. Excellent. All right, let me backfill here. All right, that's just CJ finishing up another job. If I come over here, I want to bury that first. Hey, maybe he could put that under his fire pit. All right, let me go the other way. Again, because I'm jibber jabbering. do that job. And then we got to go back to Farmingdale. You guys didn't see that video because we did a ripped out a retaining wall, and then we accidentally deleted all the GoPro footage. And oh my goodness, that killed me doing that, losing that footage, because that was a good video. So we can't. You're not going to be able to see that one. On jibber jabbering. I hope you guys can see this. I'll get that, Mike. Mid-October, and we're gonna start getting ready for snow, and that's gonna be some awesome coverage. Snow videos are awesome. I follow Chris, the snow boss. He's awesome. I suggest you look after his videos. They're awesome. He's got all nice, beautiful cat equipment, all beautiful Ventrex equipment. He's just got a new, I talk to him often through Texas. On Instagram, and I DM him just to say hi, see how's everything going. Also, Dirt Monkey, that guy has the best snow videos ever. Stan from Minnesota, really good guy. Follow those guys if you don't. They're awesome. Even the Dirt Boss, he's awesome. He's in upstate New York. Follow him. And Dirt Perfect from Indiana. We have plenty of fill, Mike. Dirt Perfect, Dirt Boss. Those are the guys I follow before I really got interested in posting these videos. Yeah, we're getting good. Right now, Chris is awesome. Dirt boss, snow boss. And definitely Stan. Stan's got great stuff. This guy travels all over the place. He's got excellent videos for everyone to watch. And he travels to all these conventions. Normally I just do the SIMA convention, the Snow and Ice Management Association. I'm a retired New York City police officer, 9/11 police officer. I worked at Midtown North Precinct my entire career. still have it. A little disgruntled about it because it doesn't have a quick attach. So I always find reasons to keep it instead of trading it in and getting a new one. Eventually that day will come. I also have my T870. That is a 2015. Before then, before I got in a track, the T870, I had a Bobcat T300. I bought that used from Bobcat. I really had to have one. These track loaders, they're just way better machine to be able to use if you have the right track system on. If you have the right tracks on these Bobcats, you can do them for snow. Use them for snow. I just found that my tire machines were always getting flat. It was always something. And now you just gotta, if your tracks are in decent shape, you should have a zigzag